Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa and today I'm going to be making taco rolls, also known as taco sticks. It's so easy. Prep time is about 10-15 minutes and cook time is about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to walk you through all the steps and hopefully you can replicate this for your family or just yourself. They are delicious. Highly recommend them. So here I've laid out everything you're going to need to make this dinner. I use 2 nonstick baking pans and I just put silicone over it so that it's easier to clean, but you can use aluminum foil or just your nonstick pans. Out of this 3-pound beef block, I'm going to use 1 pound, and then you're going to need Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. This cheese is just left over from the last time I did it. And then I like to use Pillsbury pizza crust. And 1 pizza crust thing is going to make 8 pizza rolls. So I'm making 16 tonight because my husband likes to eat a lot. I use the pan to cook the ground beef in. And then this is what I season my ground beef with. And I'm going to be using virgin olive oil just to cook the ground beef. There's my cutting board and my knife, and that's to cut the cheese. I use this to strain the grease out of my meat. And then I put the meat directly in there so that it drains the fat out. And then my spoon is just there so I could scoop the meat into the taco rolls. But that's everything you're going to need. So these are the two salsas that we like to use. I do not like hot things, so I use the mild and my husband uses the medium, but is it zoomed in? But that is mine and that is his. You can get these at Walmart and it's like $2 or $3 for the jar, each jar.